This background is actually a green screen. And today I'm going to teach you how, just like that, you can do a perfect green screen effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Go into Adobe Premiere Pro and take your green screen footage to the timeline. You're going to want to make sure that this is well lit from all the sides and that you have a clean green screen. I recommend Elgato's green screen. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's perfect and it's easy to use. You're going to want to go into your effects panel and type in Ultra Key. There are other green screen effects in Adobe Premiere Pro, but this is the easiest one to use from my perspective. I've also made my own green screen preset for free that you can download if you think that that will help you out. Drag this effect onto your footage and then go to the effects panel settings. Here you're going to use the color picker and you're going to select the green that you want to eliminate from the background. As long as your background is evenly lit like mine, this won't be very difficult and you might be able to do it in a single click. But if you need to refine this, you can do it in the matte settings in the effects panel. Now by default, eliminating this background is going to turn it black and you're going to be able to see how well you've done. You can go ahead and you can move your video footage to another video layer, and then beneath it, you can either drop a background, an animation, or other footage, and this will essentially complete your green screen effect. Thanks so much, stay awesome, I'll catch you next time.